If you want to close all running background apps on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then first of all we need to open Recents, so the menu where we have our background apps. If you use buttons for navigation, then you have to just simply tap on the square button over here, and there we go, we have opened the list of background apps or Recents. On the other hand, if you use gestures for navigation, then in this case you need to swipe from the bottom of the phone to the middle and hold your finger into the middle, like in the middle of the phone for like half a second or so. Usually you can feel like a very tiny vibration, which indicates when you can just let go your finger. Now, besides that, we also have two styles of Recents, or how these apps can be arranged. Let me just open an example app just to show you. So for example, we have this vertical style. And in this case, in order to close an app, you just have to swipe an app to the left side or to the right side. It doesn't matter which way. It doesn't matter if it's on the left or right side over here, but you just have to swipe left or right to clear an individual app. You can of course also tap on this X at the bottom in order to close everything at once. Now on the other hand, we can also switch to the horizontal style. And in this case, you swipe up in order to close an individual app, but also we have this X once again, which we can use to close everything at once. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.